Hey guys, start with why here for today's Japanese lesson for you. Today, let's learn how to describe our occupation in Japanese. So first, let's go through a couple of examples of different occupations na baka pwede niyong gamitin, no? So we have sensei, teacher, gakuse, student, kaishain, company employee, ginkoin, bank employee, doctor, isha, researcher, 研究者, and engineer, エンジニア. So to say I am a teacher, in Japanese we say 私は先生です. Using this sentence structure, papalitan lang natin yung sensei sa kung anumang occupation natin. So let's try this sentence out. Place your answers in the comment section below. And if your occupation is not listed on this vocabulary list, let us know in the comment section and we'll add this to our part 2.